Away from that, the High Court has ordered the reinstatement of National Resistance Movement self-proclaimed General Miguna Miguna's passport so he can return home from Canada. According to Judge Chacha Mwita, Miguna is at liberty to use his Canadian passport to return to Kenya if the Director of Immigration, Gordon Kihalangwa, fails to comply with the directive.
Yet again, it was a reprieve for the self-declared general of the NRM, Miguna Miguna, after the High Court ruled that he is free to return to the country after being deported to Canada by the government. Through High Court Judge Chacha Mwita, immigration boss Gordon Kihalangwa was ordered to facilitate the issuance of a passport so that Miguna Miguna can return home.
Section 10(1) provides that a person who was a Kenyan citizen by birth and who ceased to be a citizen of Kenya because he or she acquired citizenship of another country may apply in the prescribed manner to the Cabinet Secretary to regain Kenyan citizenship.
Last week, Kihalangwa complied with orders from the High Court to surrender Miguna Miguna's passport, although it had been destroyed after being punched, which means he will have to apply for a new one.
The chairperson of Kenya National Human Rights Commission, the first interest party hearing, or her representative be allowed access to the immigration and customs clearance areas at the port of the petitioner's re-entry in order to observe the extent of the respondent's observance of the relevant constitutional, human rights and immigration laws.
They can try and use all manner of contrivances, but at the end of the day, the orders of the court are clear, and that if they cannot give him a travel document, he can use his Canadian passport.
Miguna will step back in Kenya because there can never be bigger authority than the authority of the court, and we must congratulate the judiciary despite these difficult times.
While appearing before the Foreign Affairs Committee for vetting as the incoming Immigration Principal Secretary, Gordon Kihalangwa defended the government's move to deport Miguna to Canada, indicating he had already denounced his citizenship.
Birthright, yes, he was born in this country, but other status does qualify him to be a citizen. He had negated. He had all the opportunities to reclaim back. And for sure, that is a process that can be done. And all these things are in the interest of national security.
But now it is possible for him to come even tomorrow, if he so wishes. The reason being that, the court has said that this petition, the hearing of this petition must be fast-tracked, and his presence here is important, if not mandatory.
In a widely shared tweet, Miguna revealed that he will return on March 26th after a series of tours to popularize NRM in major Western cities, including Washington, D.C., New York, Houston, Dallas, London, and Berlin. Chris Deroketi,